What's happening, good folks? Today what we're doing is a little modification to the old Parrot Bebop drone, the original. This is the one that's had its run-ins with walls and concrete. I swapped those propellers out in a little while. But today we're gonna come up to this right here and get rid of these factory battery. Did a little looking around, poking around on YouTube and online. And I'm gonna go with the Venom Fly 2200 30C. It's a 3S category battery. It comes with this connector already on it, and we're gonna make that fit and see if we can get some flight time, man. See how it works out. Just got done with the modified that thing. Battery hangs off a little bit, but I ain't really tripping. All right, this is flight test number 1 off my NVIDIA Shield remote here. So I'm using one hand to fly and one hand to record. You can see the battery's not fully charged at 78%. My NVIDIA Shield's at 62%. We have crap GPS right now. I don't really care. Just want to see if this thing flies with the mod. So, about to take off. And here we go. As you can see, it do what it do, baby. Alright. And we up and running. Battery's still decent, 78%. That voltage meter will go off once it reaches the point where I need to turn the drone off. You don't want the battery to get too low. Parrot Bebop drone 1 with modification.